We're at Immobiliser Fit and this is a brand new 73Plate Lexus UX350h protected with a Starline Pro immobiliser. So if a thief copied this key, done a relay attack, opened the wheel arch up, plugged in there, started the vehicle, it's just not going to start up. So as you see, the dash comes on, but it doesn't go to ready. So we'll just do it again. Vehicle's not going to start. So the customer has a choice of either a PIN code or their phone paired up. So with the PIN code, they'll double tap the start button, pop their unique code in. So for now we have 1, 2, 3. Hear a disarm tone, now foot on the brake, start the car, and it goes to ready. As you can see, they can drive off. They don't want to waste the time putting the PIN code in. They just have their Bluetooth on, phone in their pocket, start the car like normal, fires up, goes straight to ready, and they can drive off. No need to waste time with a PIN code. Just phone in their pocket, drive away. If the customer wants to change the code and their phone's not here, what they'll do is turn the ignition on with a double press, disarm it to prove it's them with their current code. Receive the disarm tone. Now we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 presses. We'll turn the ignition off and back on. We're going to get 5 bleeps. Now it's ready to learn a new code, so we'll just change it to 1, 2, 3. This could be a minimum of 3 presses like we've done, maximum 21. Totally up to the customer. We get a double bleep to confirm our code and then we repeat it again. Wait for another double bleep to confirm the code and that's it set. Now we'll turn the car off, give it 10 seconds to arm, and then we'll try and attack the vehicle as if we're a thief. So once again, if they got this key, when to start it, vehicle's not going to start up or go to ready, they're going to be unable to drive it. So double press, pop your code in, disarm tone, foot on the brake, start the car, goes to ready. If the customer's taking this for a service, once it's disarmed, they go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 presses, cycle the ignition off, and then back on. We get 2 bleeps, and now this puts it into service mode, which means it's a normal car. Obviously, you can also do that in the app with a simple press and hold. When it goes back to Lexus, just give them the key. Car's going to start up, no need for a code, no need for a phone, just a normal vehicle, so they can move it around their workshop and road test it if they need to. When you get it back, keep your foot off the brake, turn the ignition on with a double press, pop the code in, get a double bleep, and the system comes out of service mode. So now the vehicle's protected again, and it's going to be looking for that code or the phone to start the vehicle up. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is Starline Pro on a brand new 73Plate Lexus UX350h 73Plate 2023. Thanks for watching.